The Silentsystem 3-channel SX-707 earphones combine lightness and comfort with high sound quality. They are equipped with simple and essential controls, which we've summarized for you in this video tutorial. To turn on the device, press both the white external button and the gray button on the edge of the right ear cup simultaneously. Use the round button to also manage the 3 different reception and listening channels, indicated by the blue, red, and green LEDs. The side button on the right ear cup adjusts the volume, acting as a potentiometer. Holding it down reduces the volume, while pressing it repeatedly increases the volume. Thanks to their light weight, the SX-707 earphones are ideal for activities that require movement and ease of use, such as fitness, yoga, walking, CrossFit, and wellness.